Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I'm going to be doing an acrylic pour swipe. I've got my 16 by 20 inch canvas in portrait orientation and I will be using negative space in blue colours. It'll be a predominantly blue palette with some silver and a little bit of cream. So let's get started. Alright, so I've got my Prussian phthalo blue in here. This is just an old Prussian phthalo blue container, and I thought, because it's one of my favourite colours, I'll just make up some Prussian phthalo blue in this container. So I'm going to do puddles. Let's have a look through the middle. And I decided to do a portrait orientation for this one, and I'm going to have kind of my swipe through the middle with some negative space. This is the greyish blue. Probably should have done that a bit closer. I wanted a bit, so the colours I chose, I wanted a contrasting colour with the dark and the light. And then I wanted a bright one, so this is my bright colour that I've chosen, which is the manganese. I always struggle to say that one. And then I've got pewter mixed in with some other colours. Probably not best to go next to well, I don't know actually. Let's bring a lighter colour in. I don't have much of this. This is a silver. And I've got like a creamy colour here. Put a bit of the silver down here. This one was just left over. It's got a really like this silver. I might just add a little bit of this in the middle, just to bring some of my base colour in. Maybe, oops. Alright, let's put a bit up here. I'm going to put the cream over here. Not sure how white I want it. Alright, let's put a bit more of the dark colour. Bright. Just a small one. We need more pewter. One on the outside here. So what colour shall I put up there? A greyish blue? Interesting reaction here with the cream. I think that's going to do some different stuff. Right, now I'm going to get this colour and pour it on the outside. And I'm going to use a bit of this also to just paint my corners. So I'm going to do that now. I've got a brush. Now I've got two different colour swipe mixes here, and I'm trying to decide, do I want to use them both? The black always does look quite good. I think I've just convinced myself to try the black. Ooh. No, I'm going white. So I've got the nice dark colour through there. I don't know if the black's really going to go. Okay. First swipe of the year. Now there is something in there. Okay, get that out now. I might put a colour in here, a little bit of dark colour. Let me go again. From the other direction. Do I want to leave much through the middle? Actually, if I'm going to do that, make this one slightly narrower. So if you haven't done this before, you can actually just, I just wipe that off, then it's not going to affect my paint here. It will drag paint, but it's not going to give me lacing or cells. Yeah, I think that will be better. Got a huge amount of space here though, so I don't know what's going to happen there. Alright, here we go. Cool. It's starting to come out. Nice. I do like this through here. Was hoping that I'd get just some softness through there. I don't know whether I want to touch it. Maybe this bit here. Like that. There's a bit up there as well. We'll take that through. A little wispy bit. Maybe a bit of I don't know whether they'll stay on. I think we might get the little bits at the ends. I'm liking this. We are getting a reaction with the cream. Now I did, once I put that on, I could see that it was giving this softness around the edge, so I knew there was going to be a reaction there. That's okay. Create some interest. All right. I'm ready to stretch. Do I want to add more of the blue on? I think that's probably plenty. Okay, let's stretch. Just feeling the paint. Might add a little bit through here. Right. I'm going to go slow. So because I'm going so slow, I'm going to speed this up. Oh, before I continue, I've spotted something. Getting lots of movement through here. Oh, I'm getting slippery though. Now we've got some real movement going through there. I don't want to stretch it out too much on the edges, which it's starting to do. So I think we need to stop there. That is done. I did lose those two little wispy bits. Oh, that's interesting through there. I like it. I was hoping, originally when I was designing, well, thinking about it in my head, I wanted lots of negative space. Then when I saw the colour, I thought maybe instead of like a third with the detail, I have 2/3 of detail and a third negative space, but I think obviously didn't put enough through the middle to do that. So this is just, you know, learning, forever learning, and there's nothing wrong with that. I still really like this. This is my new torch that I'm trying to get used to. But a lot more powerful than my old torch. So, got to get used to it. Alright, I will bring you in for the wet result. Alright, here it is wet. And I'll bring you in closer for the detail. Now this through here, so many little bubbles, little cells that are popping up. And this must be the, oh, I don't know what that is actually. What colour that is through there. I mean, it's grey, but it's popping in out a little bit like pearls. So that's going to bring a lot of interest to this piece, because it goes all the way through to here with the cream. It's going to be interesting. I really like this colour through here. That's, I think, one of the reasons why I like the Prussian phthalo blue so much. Just the way it stands out, and it has that sort of greeny tinge on the outside. And then here we've got some silver that's going to shine, I would say. And then we've got some more of those little cells. I don't know how big they're going to get. I quite like this through here too, and this is just a bit softer. So this is going to be interesting to see what happens as these develop over the next half hour, I'd say. Yeah, I'll bring you back when it's dry. Okay, here is the dry result. Let's have a look at the shimmer. I tried to fix a little hole up here by adding some of the paint on top, and you can see now that it shines differently. So I don't know whether putting like varnish on it now will even that out. I'm hoping that's the case. But let's have a look at some of these details. So we've got those pearl cells going through here. It's definitely the extreme sheen, but it's not shining. I mixed it with this gel medium, so I think I must have taken a bit of the shine out of it. I did that with the cream as well, but the silver is what's shining in this piece. So yeah, bit different. I want to have another go at this with the negative space and different color palette. So that's it for this one, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.